One of the first questions we get as personal injury attorneys is, what do I do if I'm in an automobile accident? Standard question. And there are a couple ground rules here. First of all, you want to stay on the scene. No matter how minor you think the collision may be, there are sometimes criminal ramifications if you leave the scene of an accident, and they can be serious. So by all means, stick around the scene of the collision. Secondly, you want to make sure that anyone else who's involved in the collision is okay. Just check just to see if they need assistance, and if they do, you call 911. You're perhaps not qualified medically to render aid, but you can call people who are. Secondly, you want to call the police. If the police haven't come upon the scene naturally, you want to call them and advise them of the location of the accident, how many cars were involved, if any injuries were sustained, and sort of alert them to the fact that an accident occurred. There are a couple other things I want to mention, and I guess first and foremost is you want to take photographs. Take photographs with your cell phone of the cars involved, the road involved, things to preserve evidence. Because preserving evidence is something that you can do with regard to your own case, and that is take information down. Jot down on a piece of paper the names of the other cars involved, their license numbers, their insurance information, because unless you write it down, that information is very fleeting and it'll be hard to recapture it. So those are a couple things that you can do in the immediate aftermath of an automobile collision.